Alrighty folks, let's see if we can't get us a couple shots. It's raining. See if we play around in the rain with Slingshot. Gonna be shooting steel. I think this is 3/8 inch. I don't really have this set up for this ammo, but that's moving big time. Boom! Got it. Here we go. All right, let's see if... Can you see the bottle hanging in the tree out there? Let's see if I can get lucky. Oh, I nipped the top. I guess that counts as a hit, but it wasn't a great one. Boom, there we go. There's a bottle in a tree. So, glancing blow, as they say. See if we can square up on it. Oh, I jerked on that one and sent that one sky high. There we go. Hey, that one's full of water. Let's see if we can bust it. Oh, yep. Oh wow, that one actually went in there. If you can see it. It's in the bottle now. Let's see what we can do. And there we go. Did catch that one as well. I think it caught both of them. Alrighty folks, just messing around in the yard. Catch y'all later.